So tonight, day 3 of the 10 days of recreating cocktails from the 1920s for your stay-at-home party or for any party. So tonight is a very Christmassy or spring or St. Patrick's Day drink in that it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful pumpkin color because of the chartreuse. So you will have to search for that and make sure you get the green chartreuse. There's really no substitutions for this. It is rather expensive, but it's well worth it. It lasts forever and certainly a lot less expensive than going out. So you're going to want to chill your martini glass, have a shaker halfway full of cubed ice, and then we're going to have, this is 1 ounce. So we're going to do 1 ounce of Tanqueray. Gin, this is a gin drink. I tend to do the gin and vodka drinks because I'm a girl and these are girly drinks, but certainly men enjoy them too. Men have already been asking, and please comment below, make whiskey drinks. And I am from Tennessee, so I should be making some whiskey drinks. It's just I don't drink whiskey. So, but I will definitely respond to comments. And please hit subscribe to get notifications. Every day there'll be a new video on another craft cocktail and healthy recipes. And in the new year, how to lose 40 pounds in 4 months and 40 inches of fat. So anyhow, you have your shaker, 1 ounce of Tanqueray. Luxardo, you can substitute a maraschino cherry liqueur. I have to search a little bit for it. This is about $35, it lasts forever, and the maraschino cherry liqueur is about 10. So that's definitely a substitution you can make. So we're going to go ahead and do 1 ounce of that. And pour that into the shaker. And then about 3/4 of an ounce of the chartreuse. Now again, we might all be having these indoor stay-at-home parties because of all the COVID and Omicron that's coming around, but with all this alcohol, I think it would kill any sort of virus that you did have in your body or your mouth. So I think you'd be safe. Anyhow, we're going to go ahead and squeeze a lime into there. So I just quartered this lime, and we're just gonna go ahead and squeeze that guy into there. Alrighty, so I had 1 lime, and I just did a nice long peel, and I just cut it in half to make it a little bit smaller. So we're going to take the lime and rub it around the rim of the glass. Remember, your glasses should be chilled, and then just put it in the bottom. I'm going to use simple syrup. This was in a mason jar. I took 1 cup of warm water, 1 cup of just white granulated sugar, and I just mixed it. And then you keep this in the fridge for however long you want to keep it. And we're going to do about 3/4 of an ounce of that, just to give it a little teeny bit of sweetness. We are going to keep the lid on the shaker. Make sure you do that. And reattach it. And let's go over so you can see this. We are going to shake for 15 seconds and shake rather vigorously, and then we're going to strain and pour it into the glass. And so you have your last word. It was a drink from the 1920s, and I'm assuming you had your last word after you drank too many of these. I don't really know the history of the drink, but it's definitely a speakeasy drink from the golden age of cocktails. And I hope you have fun recreating these drinks with me, and certainly drink responsibly.